Once upon a time, there was a whole world that named the town. It was entrapped with evil kitty. Put a little cat up in a tree, and it was crying. And then some girls come to do that, and they wanted to destroy him. And today they got it off, but they wanted to save the baby kitty first. Because they didn't see the kitty, but they did. She was on fire. Okay, you know why she was on fire? She was so angry. Now, they were off, and now the little one went to go talk to the kitty. Be careful not to erase this. Okay, hold on. You have to clean it up with a sock, and you have to see something. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay. And then this girl is over here. And then this dog went to see the baby kitty. But this kitty was so proud that she was here. And she wasn't really well. But this little Benson cat liked her. But this time she wanted to be kind to it. And now when the baby cat got down, he went meow meow. And hold on. She was almost gonna do this, that this baby kitty was so kind, and now she got him up.
Wait, what's this thing right here? What is that?
That's her hand.
Oh, okay.
And now she got the baby kitty down. I need to erase it, okay? You know, erase it that the baby kitty just got down, and it was happy when he got down. No, it's probably a girl, yeah. And the baby kitty got down that she wanted to get down. And now something happened. Something happened to the mean cat that he got sad. That he got sad. He got sad right here in the head, and his ears were down. Oh no, like that. Okay, this is what. Okay, this is. He looks too funny. Looks funny. Can use these. Benson to do. Okay, this. Okay, realize Benson used to do this, and he also was really sad for soul. And then the story was off of it until the big kitty got down. Oh my god! Hold on, this is not what the baby kitty's tail looks like. Okay, this is so great. Wait, is it like a Benson? Okay, this is the baby kitty. That it was happy. That it was really good. And now it ran away. Because it went back home. These are on fire though. Okay. Now something else happened. Okay, this one. Then this hero got these kitty down, and it went to its mom and hugged it, and then they got to work, and the end. The end.